Friends, we are not talking about a minor inconvenience here. We are talking about a potential fire hazard. We are talking about the silent killer of your car's comfort, the failing blower motor resistor. And trust me, the symptoms are more shocking than you think. Hello friends, welcome back to our weekly tools channel. If you are tired of your car's climate control acting like it's having a midlife crisis, you are in the right place. Today we are talking about the unsung hero, or villain, depending on how you look at it, of your car's HVAC system, the blower motor resistor. Where is my blower motor resistor? A blower motor resistor is typically located underneath the dashboard, usually behind the glove box, and very close to the blower motor itself. Alright, let's get straight to it. These little guys are responsible for controlling the fan speed in your car. When they start to fail, things get interesting. The first symptom: no airflow at all. If the resistor fails completely, the blower motor won't receive any power, leading to no air coming from the vents. The next symptoms: only one fan speed works. A faulty resistor can cause the blower motor to only operate at one speed, usually the highest setting, because it can't regulate the power properly. The third symptoms: inconsistent fan speeds. You might experience random fluctuations in fan speed where it suddenly blows strong then weakens, indicating a problem with the resistor's ability to control power. The fourth symptoms: burning smell from the vents. A failing resistor can overheat due to excessive current flow, leading to a noticeable burning smell coming from the vents. Finally, the last symptoms: fan speed changes randomly. Friends, when you're driving, the fan is set to a comfortable medium speed, and suddenly, it decides to go full blast or drop to a whisper. It's like your car has a mind of its own. This erratic behavior is a clear sign that the resistor is malfunctioning and sending inconsistent signals to the blower motor. So there you have it, the 5 symptoms of a bad blower motor resistor. If you are experiencing any of these issues, it's time to get your car checked out. Replacing a blower motor resistor is usually a pretty straightforward DIY job, or you can take it to your trusted mechanic. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more automotive tips and tricks. Don't forget to leave a comment below. If you have any questions,